This is quite a possibility. This
Then we
might be
can-
our last Samosa podcast without
This
caucus. Yes.
this year.
Without us,
No.
can we make
No,
fun
no,
of
no.
everyone?
This is
This
our
should
last Samosa podcast without all of us being arrested by the Karnataka government
Yes.
for
This is what I
hate
and,
speech.
and
Will-
please
will I be
allow
arrested?
me to
Yes.
read
Okay.
the draft, because I'm so glad my good friend Tessin is here. Any person who harms or incites harm or promotes or propagates hatred, bring out, obviously correction होना चाहिए language का, of his prejudice against or intolerance towards any other person because of one or more of the following characteristics or perceived characteristics of the victim or his or her family member or the victim's association with or support for a group of persons who share any one or more of such characteristics: religion, race, caste, community, sex, gender, sexual orientation, place of birth, residence, language, disability, tribe, shall be guilty of an offence of hate crime. उसकी punishment है non bailable. बचा क्या भाई?
सूली पे लटका दो.
वही.
मतलब perceived also.
Perceived. उसके बाद तो अभी और ये तो एक पढ़ा मैंने section.
हाँ.
What is going on यार? These are the people who
जो
have been
free
saying
speech
कि
की बात
मोदी,
करते
हाँ,
हैं,
कि
हाँ.
मोदी फाशिस्ट है. ये मतलब मन करता है, क्या बताओ यार?
Look,
अरे but
arrest
these are
हो
the
जाओगे
people
तो
who also
grand
represent the
standing.
communal
But
violence.
Abhijit, it's not
Who
grand
wants
standing,
it?
yaar. It
Who
tells
wants
you.
it? Does Karnataka want it? The point
The
is, why
cabinet
are
has
they
passed
doing
it today.
Yeah. So
Yesterday.
who wanted
Yesterday.
it? Who wanted this law?
They are grandstanding because they want to create that situation where they pass it by that overwhelming majority they have in the assembly, and the governor will not give. There is a reason this has come after the Supreme Court judgment on the powers of the governor. The moment they read the judgment on the powers of the governor, they realized they could play this trick, and that is what they do.
No, see, when
But
you
where are the activists, yaar? Where is the Hindu newspaper? Where are all those guys?
अरे
who-
free
activists
speech
तो we
वाले.
all know they're all rented
नहीं नहीं यार,
activists.
तो बात तो फिर बोलना चाहिए
वही है
that
ना
they are
फिर.
rented activists. So that is what we should bring
But
out.
we have always been seeing they're rented
but
activists.
see, when a government brings about this kind of thing,
अच्छा,
कौन
इसमें
सा
पॉडकास्ट
section
के
है?
सेक्शंस हैं.
हाँ.
पॉडकास्ट के.
कौन
कुशल
सा
मेहरा चिल्ला रहा था.
section
उसमें.
of
Everyone will be in
section of
jail,
society?
yaar, if
Section
this
of
gets
podcast.
passed. It's crazy.
And the problem with this is, and
God.
again, I'm going to be critical of this. This is applicable.
Thank you,
though
yaar,
it's a-
I mean-
though it's a- no, because I'm not a hypocrite.
No,
And
but
so
go-
I can go in jail.
प्रॉब्लम इज तू तो कह देता है
It's-
तेरे जो दोस्त हैं वो कांग्रेस में वो इसको पास
वो
कर रहे
मेरा
हैं.
दोस्त नहीं है. उसका बाप उसके डैडी कांग्रेस के बड़े नेता है, बट वो मेरा दोस्त नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम ये
किसकी
है
बातें कर रही है? मेरे को समझ
जिन्होंने बिल
हाँ,
ड्राफ्ट
तो
किया.
मैंने-
वो अगर नाम लेगा तो जेल में जाएगा.
नहीं नहीं, none of these nepo kids. But point is this: CM and
Crazy.
deputy CM.
We
are
will all
mass
talk
leaders.
in third person.
CM
terms
and
now.
deputy CM are like it or leave mass lead. But the point in this is applicable all across the country. So what happens
Yeah.
is, if the podcast may have been shot in Rajasthan,
Exactly.
but
Police will
because
come.
it's viewed, the podcast is viewed in a
No,
particular.
but how
भाई
can
वो अजीत भारती को
हाँ, हाँ,
नोएडा
हाँ,
पुलिस
हाँ.
नोएडा तक आ गई थी कर्नाटका पुलिस
हाँ,
पकड़ने के लिए.
हाँ.
यार देखो ऐसे है
you
कि
have to
दिस इज
stand up for free
एप्लीकेबल ऑल ओवर द कंट्री इन द सेंस कि तुम कहीं पे भी कोई एफआईआर करवा दो.
कोई भी.
तुम कल को रामेश्वरम में जाके
100%.
यू नो यू फाइल एन एफआईआर
But
अगेंस्ट
then
मी इन
court ने बोला है ना,
रामेश्वरम.
you club it together and it
No, no,
comes
that
in
is
one.
if
किया ना,
no, but
multiple हो
so
गया तो.
first I will go to Rameshwaram, na, then I'll go to Guwahati, then I'll go to Cuttack, then I'll go to
भारत ब्रह्म.
multiple हुआ तो
भारत जोड़ो
no
यात्रा.
no one second अगर you are that is अगर multiple हुआ अगर एक ही हुआ FIR for example बेंगलुरु में
हाँ.
then you have no choice going to Supreme Court will say go to a trial court there if you don't get relief come to us
हाँ.
that is the problem is
But
if there's
you-
multiple actually it's not a
Tessie,
problem
Tessie, let's
because
not
Supreme
talk
Court
about
will
the
club it.
technicalities यार.
No,
ये देखो
I'm
इनके
saying
दिमाग में क्या चल
no,
रहा है
I'm
कि they
saying
drafted this.
no, I'm saying in fact technicalities is good because if it's multiple, there won't be an issue. Supreme Court will club it.
तो यार ऐसा करो ना, फ्री स्पीच का क्लॉज हटा दो. मतलब ऑनेस्टली, मतलब
Ending,
just
I thought
I don't do
know.
sugar.
drop the pretense. Thank you.
Thank you. Please, योगी जी, please आप मुझे कॉफी दे दीजिए. आपका नाम भी माशाल्लाह क्या अच्छा नाम है, योगी जी.
So this has to be
टिकट नहीं मिलेगा.
this has to be struck down.
नहीं नाम अच्छा है.
And it
नहीं,
is
योगी जी
troubling
बोल
that
दिया
the cabinet has approved it, and nobody in the Congress ecosystem, none of those historians and all those journalists, they're writing about it. Pratap Bhanu Mehta and everyone who writes editorials about free speech, fascism, Salman Rushdie, सारे के सारे
अरे
चुप.
भाई, this is what they did with the communal violence bill,
हाँ,
right?
correct.
This is exactly what they did with that. That they want to target a particular community.
Clearly.
They want to target the Hindu community. Bottom line. This is the Congress party's thing, that they want to target the Hindu community, and then they wonder why they are seen as an anti-Hindu party.
In this particular bill, it may not just be anti-Hindu. That argument may not come here. But the question that remains is because that argument is self-defeating.
Are they going to prosecute, for example, my
Maulana.
friend?
Maulana,
if I say
huh?
Paul-
Or a hate speech.
If I say
Maulana
Hindus
for
are
a
the
hate
worst
speech.
of creatures, where am I prosecutable? I am, according to this.
Because he's offended Hindus.
But what you're quoting is not how it's written in that.
If I
And they
quote it
would-
verbatim,
So perceived
हाँ,
है,
so-
what are you
जब
saying?
when you
What-
say
No,
it is written as that.
but if you're quoting it, I haven't read the bill. I've read some of the parts of that bill. I haven't read the bill.
Look, I
What
can
are the
always
exceptions?
book-
I
can
don't
always
know
book
because
you.
by that thing everything. But
I
should
can
we get
always-
into legislation?
Why
You
were
can
you
always
quoting
just-
something?
I agree with you.
When you
But
were
you are
quoting
not a
something,
free
you were
speech,
creating hate.
but
So I can book
but
you on
isn't
that.
intention the most important thing?
That is the intention.
Not of the law.
How
of-
do you
of how do you
prove intention?
How do you
How
prove
do you
intention?
prove
So
Yeah.
therefore, I'm
intention?
saying, should we get into lawmaking on this? For me, as a Democrat, I am very scared when
वही
laws like
नुपुर वाली बात हो गई ना. How do you prove intention?
my life has been a,
Yeah.
I'll tell you what happened with this whole Nupur thing in my case.
आज बताई दे भाई.
आज-
You
no,
suffered.
I have to. I'm
You have
telling you
suffered.
how I've suffered.
And Congressists don't realize.
I'll tell you how
Right
I've
wingers
suffered.
don't realize that
I-
he has been bearing the.
I stood up for Nupur as I stand for
Carrying the
anyone. Free speech is period. Like I think this is wrong, so I stood up for Nupur. This one guy said something, some tweet something, which got quoted on a YouTube video which somebody in New Mewat saw. Now the person in New Mewat goes and threatens another podcaster in his house in Gurugram for podcasting me, saying he wants to blow me up and blast and all of this. Turns out this guy is actually from Bangladesh in New Mewat, and these guys are roaming around with a weapon to get through me, including they broke at my house in Delhi. Yes, it's on video. They came into my house. I was lucky that day I was in Pune. Why do I have security? These are of the first order. These are absolute fundamental rascals and he goes to this podcaster's house. This podcaster's interviewed many people and says, I will do jihad.
Has he been arrested?
No. He fled away to Bangladesh or wherever he came from.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.